So hello world, this is my external Roy, and here in this channel, here we will discuss on the computer related stuff. I will learn some things that I will try to teach you guys here. You guys will say this is out like you said this wrong, you said this right. Then I'm gonna again repeat it and learn it like in a better way, and then teach you. Or you will discuss on a new thing, like there is a thing like this, and I will say, oh, I didn't know this existed. And then I'm gonna search on it, learn it, then again teach you, discuss about it here. Then you will again say this. I will communicate with the videos here, and you will communicate through the comments. Like here, this is a new start to the world. Hello world. So this I was just a small thing, like not really scientific or something, just psychological stuff, or I think is pedagogy or something. This is gonna be like hello world. You will often see it while programming, like for the first time. You will type hello world. If you don't type this thing, then there is a thing called you will not pursue a good start, or or ever pursue in a good career in coding if you don't write hello world. That's bullshit. Kind of. That might not be there. There are 8 billion people there. There are many combinations of bad and good. You know. So mainly what I'm saying, why we write hello world? Yeah, of course this should have a meaning. If every single word has a meaning, then it would be easier to learn. You know, you can just make logic from connecting here to here, here to here, and it will be easier to learn. That's why every word should have a meaning. Why you are naming this thing this? Why this thing is said this? Communicating with language is a very good thing. Like language is the best thing that had happened in human history. Or if we were still using, then yeah, it would still work. Like in a very, you know, not so precise way. Like you can say, I can just call the board this board, and what will happen here is that, and that this cloth here we say like this. So now here, why we write hello world? That's why we don't use that was like yeah. I have done it the fourth time here. I mean, think. So why hello world? Hello world is like you're introducing hello when you. This is a friend. Thumbs up. He's giving a like. It's like the main thing is hi. This thing says hi. I say hello. This say hello. I say hello. Why we say hello? This is pretty simple and pretty meaningful. We say hello to like how are you? Hello. We communicate like this. We are communicating with each other. And when this is a hello world, just try to communicate with the world. A computer is electronic being, or you say electronics, which works with electric. Like the whole main thing is just plus 5 minus 5 volt. Yeah, this is a basic. I will discuss on it in that part in a future video. The hello world here, when the computer is saying hello world, is trying to communicate with from his digital world to this physical world, like where things are like me and you exist. He is trying to communicate with us, or we are trying to communicate with him, vice versa. So, yeah, and my pronunciation will be pretty bad here. I am not used to talking in English. Yeah, so yeah, I'm pretty nervous right now. My heart is just rising above. It's like million beats per second right now. How I'm still alive. Yeah. So yeah, we will just discuss on that because the computer is trying to communicate, or we are making the computer try to communicate with the physical this world. That's why we often use the word hello world. And if you don't want to write anything, you can just press in the semicolon A. How it works, I will later. In coding, whenever you print hello world for the first code. Yeah. Why? Because you are making the computer communicate with the real world, like with you and me. That's why we write hello world. This is it for today, and now we will see in a future video what goes on, and we will discuss on a future more this kind of computer related stuff. And in the next part, let's see what can I discuss on. Like I, of course, don't plan this stuff. I just randomly go through it stuff, and when we guys will communicate with each other through the comments and see about this particular stuff or this particular stuff. If someone says to discuss an AI, I have to first discuss about the other computer stuff, then the AI, because to learn AI stuff, we need to go through the basics of AI and mathematical stuff. Then we will understand the AI fully. We need to first create the base, then the other stuff there is. First, to make this button, we actually need to make we in Bengali say chach. So this butter gets the air pressure through the cell and it just fluffs out like this shape. So first you need to make that chach is in Bengali, and let's see how it goes. Like first I need to make the chach for you. Yeah, that's it. Let's see how it goes. Everything. That's it for today. See you in the next one.